Good morning, friends. Or today we are going to discuss about the difference of breakout trading and swing trading. The reason of this video preparation is, many believes breakout trading and swing trading are almost same. This is a myth. Basically, breakout trading and swing trading have a huge difference. Okay, breakout may be a part in swing trading. Maybe it's a you can consider it as a subset of swing trading, but there is a huge difference between breakout trading and swing trading. Let's say I have opened a chart of Reliance. In Reliance, if you will see, let's say in an uptrend we got a descending channel breakout. The breakout did not sustain. If you will say, it should retest, then here is the retest. यहाँ पे retest हुआ है, retest. Again it moves a bit high. Again, obviously take the stop loss. Let's say this is an example of what breakout trading. Let's say if I will say no, if it will break this level, then I'm going to take a trade. What will happen? You see, it again took the stop loss. Let say I will consider this breakout, retest, a small spike, then again a fall, like this, right? Here you see, if I will consider, if it will break this level, then I will buy it. What it made is exactly a rising wedge here, right? A small spike after the breakout, then again it failed. This is what a breakout is. I'm not saying the breakout is not going to work, but to properly work on breakout, you have to actually, you need to have sufficient experience on the price action thing. Now if I will consider the same chart on a swing, then you see, let's say for swing, let's say I can use any swing strategies. Let's say I'm going to use wave trade with crosses. This is one indicator for swing trading, as you know. Here you can see this is not allowing me to, take any new position during the breakouts. What it is suggesting me in the whole chart is the only buying opportunity is here. That means here, right? Stop loss is below the lower swing and target is the previous swing high, right? Small stop loss, big target, it hits. Again, if I will remove this, let's say, if I will remove this and I will use moving average, one simple moving average 200. So whatever your strategy is, it does not matter, but the objective of the video is to explain the difference between breakout trading and swing trading. In swing trading, usually, your stop loss is always very small and target is bigger. If I will use 200 moving average, then again what it is showing me, let's say 200 moving average with a MACD. Okay, this is one swing trading strategy, very simple swing trading strategy. Here also the swing trading strategy is not allowing me to buy at the breakout levels. Let me clear these things, and now you can see at this level, not, I'm not talking about the crossover, I'm talking about when it is flipping. It is the both the lines going above the histogram midpoint, and it is going above the 200 moving average, this point, right? Here also stop loss will be previous swing and target will be previous swing high. Target hits. Next is here above this, target would be previous swing high, stop loss would be here, max to max, small stop loss, big target, also hit. The point is very simple point: swing trading is not breakout trading. breakout trading is very risky. Swing trading is not very risky in comparison to breakout trading. In swing trading, you have very small stop loss, target is very high, and swing trading is much more preferable than the breakout trading. Okay, so you can use any indicator. That Madrid ribbon that I've already posted, Madrid ribbon, right, that ribbon of all the moving averages, you can consider that for swing trading. You can consider the combination of 200 moving average and MACD or RSI or stochastic for your swing trading. So focus more on swing trading, less on breakout trading. Usually the news channels and most of the traders try to find the breakout thing, but in the next video I will also explain the difference between pre-breakout and after breakout. I mean pre-breakout strategy and after breakout strategy. Okay, in this video is confined within the difference between breakout strategy, breakout trading and swing trading. So use, you can implement it in any time frame, but obviously larger is the time frame, larger is the profit. Simple. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you very much.